Artificial intelligence development. Coding the future. Artificial intelligence refers to systems designed to replicate human intelligence. Today, significant advancements are being made in machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. In AI development, data collection, processing, and model preparation are crucial steps. Popular libraries like Python and TensorFlow provides powerful tools for developers. During the training phase, models are fed large datasets and optimized to make accurate predictions. In the future, AI continue to revolutionize industries like healthcare, automotive, and finance. However, ethical and security consideration must be addressed. With proper guidance, AI can become humanity's greatest ally.